friends, welcome to Amakshi Excel tutorials. Let's learn and conquer the fear of Excel. Before we start the video, please press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. In this video, we'll be discussing about the editing section of MS Excel. Now, as you can see on your screen, this is the editing section. Now, particularly in this video, we'll be discussing about AutoSum. Now, what is AutoSum? As the name suggests, AutoSum adds up your data and gives you the result automatically. But in AutoSum, there are other functions as well, which are as follows: sum, average, count numbers, max, and min. We'll understand each one of them in detail. Now let's talk about sum. What does sum do? It adds up your data and gives the result in the desired cell. Now here we are taking an example of 5 cells. We need to calculate the sum of 5 cells. Now there are 2 cases with the help of which you can calculate the sum in the 5 cells. Now the first case, as you can see, the formula of sum is equals to sum, and what you can do is you can just write is equal to sum, and in the brackets you can write CR1, CR2, CR3, CR4 and CR5. Now what does C in R stands for? C stands for column and R stands for row. Now column with row and the first. Now let's go to case 2. In case 2, instead of writing the complete numbers or the cell numbers, that is CR1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what we'll do is we'll shortly write is equals to sum, and in brackets we'll write the first cell name colon the last cell name, and here also C stands for column and R stands for row. Now let's talk about another example. Here we are taking the items and the price list of the 10 items. Now first of all we are calculating sum. These are the 2 cases which we talked about, which we discussed about. Now how we'll proceed further? We'll write is equals to sum. Now what is the function name or what is the cell name? This is column B and row 2. So we'll be writing B2, comma, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10 and the last, that is B11, and close the bracket. Click on enter button. You'll see the sum has been displayed. Now let's do it as case 2, according to case 2. Now what we'll do is equals to sum bracket, the first one, that is B2 colon the last one, that is B11, bracket close. Press enter. It has displayed the same results. Now we do have another method to check the results, whether we have done it correctly or not. Now what you can do is you can click on a cell where you want a result, or otherwise just select all the price list, go to AutoSum, click on sum. What you can see, it has displayed the result. Let's move on to our next function, that is average. Now what is average? It calculates the average of your data and display the result in the desired cell. Now here also we are taking the same example. We need to calculate the average of 5 cells. Case 1, case 2. In case 1, will be writing is equals to average, and in the bracket will be writing the cell names, that is CR1, CR2, CR3, CR4 and CR5. In case 2, here again we'll be writing is equals to average, but instead of writing all the cell names, we'll be writing the first cell name and the last cell name with a colon in between. Now let's calculate the average of this price list. What we'll do is equals to average, bracket open, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10 and B11. That is the last. Close the bracket, click on OK. It has displayed the average. Now comes the case 2 is equals to average, bracket open, B2, comma, B11, click enter. Sorry. You need to put a colon in between to select the entire price list. Now, another way, click, select the price list, go to autumn sum, average. The result would be displayed. Now let's talk about the next function, that is count. Now what is the role of count? Count helps you calculate the number of data entered. Example, we need to count the number of 5 cells. Now here, although it is just the 5 cells that you know that they are just 5 cells, but what if you have a very long data, very large data? So what will you do? The formula is the same, that is equals to, now here we'll be taking it as count, and in the bracket it would be CR1, CR2, CR3, CR4 and CR5. And if we talk about case 2, it will be is equals to count. In the bracket we'll be taking the first cell, that is CR1, and with the colon the CR5, which is the last cell. Now we'll be calculating the count of this example. So is equals to count, again B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, 7, 8, B9, B10 and B11. Close the bracket. Here you'll get the count as 10. Case 2 is equals to count, bracket open, first B2, colon, B11, bracket close, 10. Now to get the result here as well, or to cross your answers, cross check your answers, 10. 10 is the result displayed. Max. Now max, what does it do? It displays the maximum value from the selected data. Now here we'll consider this example again. We need to find out the maximum value from 5 cells. Now in case 1, what we'll do? We'll simply write is equals to max, and in the bracket we'll be writing CR1, CR2, CR3, CR4 and CR5. So that will display the maximum value. Now if we'll talk about case 2, what we'll do? We'll write is equals to max, and in bracket we'll be first writing we'll be taking the first cell name, that is CR1, and the colon, last cell name, that is CR5. Now let's calculate the maximum value of this price list. So what we'll do is equals to max. The same thing we have to do, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9, B10 and the last B11. Close the bracket. Now what you can see, 95 has been displayed and 95 is the maximum price value in this data. Similarly, if you wanted in case 2 is equals to max, first column name, that is B2 and colon the last column name, that is B11. Bracket close, enter. It has displayed 95. Now if we want to again cross check it, select the data, go to AutoSum, click max. 95 has been displayed as this is the maximum value. Next comes the min. Now min displays the minimum value from the selected data. Now in this example also we'll be considering 5 cells and we need to calculate the minimum value from the 5 cells. Now in case 1, now the function of minimum is min, that is equals to min. Then in case 1 we'll be writing CR1, CR2, CR3, CR4 and CR5. Now it will display the minimum value. If we have to do it as per case 2, so we'll do it as is equal to minimum, and in brackets we'll be writing the first cell name, that is CR1 colon followed by the last cell name, that is CR5. Now if we need to calculate the minimum of this example, so we'll be doing is equals to min and write all the values B6, B7, B8, B9, B10 and the last B11. Close the bracket. Now 45 has been displayed. Why? Because in this list you can see 45 is the minimum value. Now according to case 2 is equals to min B2 colon B11 bracket close 45. Again what you can check, select AutoSum min. Now when you now 45 has been displayed here as well. If you like the video, please click on like button and please subscribe for more videos.